Hey guys, welcome back to How to Use Oils Part 2, Aromatically. Breathing an essential oil gets it into your body really quickly, like within 5 seconds or something like that. There are different ways to diffuse it. There's your classic electronic ones that you just plug into the wall. There's USB ones for your laptop or computer. There's lava jewelry, lava rock jewelry. There's real leather. Those all work really well as diffusers. There's more that I know I'm forgetting or just don't even know about. Young Living has some really cute ultrasonic diffusers. Basically, there's a little metal plate inside that vibrates to the point where the water and oil become a really fine mist, almost a fog. And it's a cool mist because heat will start breaking down the oils, and the cool mist makes it so that you get all the health benefits from the oil. So basically, you're not limited in how you diffuse. You still can use a rediffuser, but the lighter components of the oils will leave first, and you're left with the heavier ends at the end. So that's why those rediffusers aren't necessarily the best way, but you can still take a warm bath with Epsom salts and oils. That's actually a pretty good way because then you get it aromatically and topically, like in my first video. So you guys, you have options whether you're at the office, in your car, or walking around town, Christmas shopping, or here at home with just a regular plug it into the wall one. Um, they make they make great gifts. I'll post some pictures, and as always, you can buy them via the link in my bio or on my homepage. All right, talk to you guys later.